welcome back for another adventure. In today's episode, we're off to Woodman Point, Ammo Jetty to catch some herring. Well, another day is blowing. Trying to secure everything. Let's see how we go. Can't even tie a fishing knot at the moment. First day of school back. Young blokes at school for the term 2. Thought I'll go for a fish. I'm blind. Normally a lure man, but today I decided to use some bait. That's my mix. Mix it around. Nice and wet. Let's go fishing. And Blowy Central. Oh, it looks like we're on. Got a pull. Please let it be herring. Feels good. Looking good. Look at that. First one. First one of many, I hope. Oh, that's better. That feels like a herring. Yep. Feels like a herring. Please let it be a herring. Yes. That's what I want.
What's that? Oh,
Number 2. Ah.
Are you on again?
Yeah, but not what I'm after.
What are you chasing? Whiting.
Herring.
Herring.
Number 3. Woo! The local tax man sitting up there waiting to tax everybody that comes by. After an hour of fishing, decided to pull up stump and head home. Best part of fishing is eating your catch. Now let's have a look what the wife cooked. Fish looks good.
And we have with another Thai food together.
So subscribe to my channel and also don't make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Oh, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, just whenever it's Spider-Man.